Hi everyone, Jesse Work here today. I continue to get some tricks to create the dashboard in Excel, which provide a glance view of key performance indicators. To create the dashboard, we use Excel pivotable, which can quickly summarize the Excel data. Watch the video to see the steps to create an Excel pivotable. There are also an interactive pivotable below that you can try before you build your own. The first, you prepare your data to create a pivotable. Organize the data into the row and column and create the Excel table. In this video, the data contains the cell grouped by the category, the products in the period from the 2018 to 2020. To create the table, we select the range of data to summarize using the keystroke Ctrl and T. To open create table box and select the range of the data, and click OK to create a table. On the ribbon, you click the DJ to see the table name, table 1. To create a pivotable, you click the Insert Table, Insert Top Pivot Chart. Choose the data that you want to analyze. Select the table or range, table 1, and choose where you want the pivotable chart to place, new worksheet or existing worksheet. You choose the new worksheet. Click OK. The pivotable and pivot chart appear. You can see the pivot chart field. To get the information about the cell, you select the element, year, category, product, and cell. In this case, I select the category, product, cell, or you can see the data in pivotable and pivot chart. To see clearly, you can change the chart. Click Chart, Design, Change Chart Type. In this case, I select the bar and cluster bar. OK. Resize this chart to see clearly. And you hide the element, hide or field button on chart. To format the pivotable chart, you click the cross buttons and select some element, chart title, data label, grid line, or select grid lines. OK. Legends, legend. OK. Rename the chart title, the name of the cell. The features, I want to format the features. Click the right mouse, value field setting, number format, number, decimal place it to 0, use 1000 separators. OK. OK. To get information about the sales on the years 2018, 2019, and 2020, you click the right mouse on the years, add slicer. You can see. To format slicer, you click the right mouse, size and property. In position and layout, you can type 4 into the number of columns, 4, to rotate to landscape of the slicer. You can hide the title, click the right mouse, slicer setting, or select the display header. OK. and resize the slicer. Resize the slicer. Transfer into the pivotable task. You can select each year, 2018, 19, or 20, or select 18 and 19 and 20. Okay. Now, I cut the pivotable task into the new sheet. For example, select the pivotable task, select the slicer using keystroke, Ctrl and X. Create the new sheet. Rename the new sheet reports and Ctrl V to pass. And resize the pivotable task. Add to the sheet 1. Copy the pivotable table and change. I want to see the cell grouped by the clothing in the period from 2018 to 2020. I give up a product category, transfer into the column, the year into the row. Yes. Okay. Now, I create the pivotable task. Click the design, the analyze, the pivotable task, and select the task, the line. Okay. Hide all buttons. Click the right mode. Hide all buttons on task. And for smart the pivotable task, click the cross buttons. Select element, legend. Okay, legend buttons. And click slide. Or select job title. Okay, rename the job title. The cell on each category. Okay. To see the cell each year clearly, I click exit option on stick mask. Okay, this is clearly. And to select the cell on each category, I click the right mode, add the slicer, and for smart slice in the position layout, you select the number column with the 4. Okay. And hide the title, click the right mode, select the slicer setting, and select display header. Okay. And you resize. Clearly. Now I transfer the pivotable chart into the repossessed. Place the pivotable chart, shift, slicer, using the keystroke, Ctrl and S to cut. Ctrl and V to pass. Clothing machine, shoe, wood. I select all. I can transfer in the title. To see clearly? Yes. When I select in the pivotable charts 2018, 19, and 20, the pivotable show on category changes. I don't want it. So I select all. Click the right mode. Select the report connection. Or select the pivotable tool to disconnect. Okay. So when you select the cell pivotable chart, the pivotable chart tool don't change. Okay. Back to the sequence. I copy this pivotable table. Paste. Now I want to see the cell different from the previous year. I click any cell in the pivotable, click the right mode, show value as percent different from, okay, years by item reverse, okay. Oh, this is the changes different from the previous year. I want to row. Click the right mouse, but value field setting, number for smart, percentage, decimal place it to 0. Okay. Now I want to create a pivotable chart. Click the Analyze Pivotable Chart and select the chart. Just a column. Yes. The column. And I want to hide all buttons. Hide all button. Yes. I see clearly the cell. The changes of the cell different from the previous year. Group by the clothing machine, the shoe or the woods. Using the keystroke Ctrl is to transfer into the repossessed. Ctrl V to pass. Oh, I can see it this clearly. Resize. Once I click the clothing, the cell on category and pivotable chart 3 changes machine shoe wood. Select 2 categories, 3 category, and 4 category. But I select the pivotable 1, the pivotable 2 and 3 don't change. Okay. This is the use of pivotable chart to create the dashboard in Microsoft Excel. If you have a comment, let this in comment. Thank you for your watching.